Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Hello everyone, it's me JB from Unique Tutorials. Today in this video I will show you the best GCAM application for Redmi Note 8 Pro. Here, what's special about this GCAM version is that it is the stable version which the developer had pushed out in their respective official websites. So I'll be providing the website link in the video descriptions below, so you download from the link given below, and also download the config file which I will be posting the download link in the video descriptions too. So after downloading, you install it. Once the installation is done, you open it and you can see there is a GCAM applications on your Redmi Note 8 Pro. Just tap on it or open it. On opening for the first time, you give all the permissions that it asks for. So here you can see it's user interference, but let's check out. So right now we have not set any config file. So how you need to set the configuration files? So just what you need to do, you click on the more button. Once you go to the more button, you click on the settings. Once you go to the settings, scroll below. Here you can see a save settings. Just tap on it. Give any name, as I'm giving it a name, GCAM. Just save it. The folder has been created on your file manager. So we'll just move back to the file manager. On moving to the file manager, just tap on this and go to the internal shared storage. So scroll below. So here you can see a GCAM and here you can see a configuration. So what you need to do, the configuration file which you have downloaded from the given link. So we'll move to the download folder, and as you can see you have downloaded the configuration file, as you can see this one. So just tap on and hold it, and here you can see a more button. Just copy it. Click on the internal storage settings, go to the GCAM folder. You can see a configs. Just tap on it, and here you can see a paste option. Just paste on it. Click on the paste. It's being pasted on this GCAM folder. So now you can close the file manager. Now let's go back and open the GCAM application. Now here what you need to do, you can see a blank space between this and this icon. Just tap on this blank area 2 times and select the configuration files that you have pasted just now. After selecting those respective configuration files, click on the restore. Voila, now everything gonna work perfectly. As you can see, panorama, lens blur. This is the stable version, so many people have complained that the earlier version of GCAM for the Redmi Note 8 Pro cannot take video recordings, but a magic is here. This is the latest stable version of GCAM, so here the video too works. Yes, it works really. So as you can click on the audio button, as you can see it's loading right now. So you can take a video even with this GCAM. So it's a very good thing, but one sad part is that if you use the front camera, the picture quality or the video quality, actually video quality, I'm sorry, not the picture quality, the video quality will not as be great as you can take with the stock camera applications. Yes, there's needed lots of improvements in case of the video recording with the front cameras, but here one thing, a good thing is that even it supports up to the 60 frame per second. You can record a video using your rear cameras. So one more thing I missed out, so I'll be pointing you out. Here you can see a more, so you can go to the settings and there is one option. Here is a macro lens. If you select this button, yes, you can see after long pressing camera choice button, you will open macro lens instead of ultra wide. So how you can do it is, as you can see a button here, so instead of ultra wide lens, if you need a macro lens to capture a macro photography, then what you need to do is, you can see this button, you can tap and hold. Now it moves to the macro photography. So as you can see, it becomes in the dark color. So if you need in the wide angle mode again, then just tap and press on that button, and when it turns white, you can click in the ultra wide angle lens again. So in my opinion, you should definitely try this stable GCAM version from the link, and download it from the link given below. And lastly, I'll be posting here in the video the photo quality samples that you can check out and see and judge by yourself that how good the photo comes out using these GCAM applications. So you keep watching the photos. Until then, if you like this video, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, please click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.